Tesla debuts hands-free Grok AI. Tesla has begun rolling out Grok, an in-car conversational AI assistant developed by xAI, to eligible vehicles starting July 12. The feature marks the most direct integration yet between Elon Musk's artificial intelligence startup and Tesla's consumer product lineup, offering drivers hands-free access to a chat-style companion while on the road. Grok comes pre-installed on new vehicles. According to Tesla's FAQ page for the feature, all new vehicles delivered on or after July 12, 2025 will include Grok AI out of the box. Owners of older vehicles may gain access through an over-the-air update, provided their vehicle meets a few hardware and software requirements. Specifically, Grok is currently only supported on Tesla models, equipped with an AMD infotainment processor and running vehicle software version 2025.26 and higher. Compatible models include the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck. A premium connectivity subscription or active Wi-Fi connection is also required. To enable use Grok, tap App Launcher Grok, or press Hold Voice button on your steering wheel. Tesla notes that additional vehicle compatibility may arrive in future software updates. Grok's features and limitations for now. Drivers can engage with Grok using the App Launcher or by pressing and holding the voice command button on the steering wheel. Grok is designed to answer questions and hold conversations using natural language, offering responses tailored to its chosen personality, ranging from storyteller to the more eccentric unhinged. For fun, Tesla posted a demonstration of Grok likely running on Unhinged, talking about what it would do to Optimus when they are on a date, much to the shock of the humanoid robot's official social media account. It should be noted, however, that Grok cannot currently issue commands to the vehicle itself, at least for now. Traditional voice commands for tasks like climate control, navigation, or media remain separate from Grok as of writing. The feature is being released in beta and does not require a Grok account or xAI subscription to activate, although that policy may change over time. Grok privacy and in-car experience. Tesla emphasizes that interactions with Grok are securely processed by xAI and not linked to a user's Tesla account or vehicle. Conversations remain anonymous unless a user signs into Grok separately to sync their history across devices. Tesla has also begun promoting Grok directly on its official vehicle web pages, showcasing the feature as part of its in-car experience, further highlighting the company's increasing focus on AI and infotainment features on its all-electric vehicles. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.